Hi, it's Candy Barone, your Pull No Punches Accountability Powerhouse, and it is day 2 of training and certifying coaches here in Denver, Colorado. And while I have my group out doing some role play exercises so that they can truly dig into the amazing materials we offer, I have some time that I am catching up and doing some reading in Brendon Burchard's The Motivation Manifesto. And I'm on the chapter right now, which is really around the affirmation for ourselves about reclaiming love. And what I like is he has a statement in there that he expresses how love is abundant and flowing, and that there are absolutely no limits or restrictions or boundaries on the love all around us aside from those that we put in our own mind. You see, the only way that love can be diminished is in our own beliefs and our own mindset, and the limitations and restrictions that we accept to be our truths and hold on to in our own mind. And I find that to be so powerful as I think about even the pain we've experienced, or the hurt, or the way that other people might have done wrong to us. None of that diminishes love. And I'm going to ask you a question about how much you're holding back, letting yourself really be in a state of love, in a state of flow, in a state of overflowing abundance. And are you holding back in terms of how love shows up in your interactions with other people, in your conversations with God, in your conversations with yourself? And if they are, I challenge you to release that. I challenge you to reaffirm the ability to create love in your life and to accept love in your life, because it can't be diminished. And you see that no matter what kind of pain you may have experienced, you're shortchanging and not serving others when you choose to play small, or when you choose to hold back for fear of the fact that, well, you've got to protect your heart. Your heart doesn't need to be protected. Your heart needs to be opened as wide as it possibly can be, that you can let love flow out and flow in a way that lets you truly receive the gifts that others have to shine, as well as be able to serve others in the capacity in your most amazing and magnificent greatness. So with that, I hope you'll take some time to consider the ability and opportunity to let love flow all around us, and the fact that the only way that it can truly be diminished is by the limitations and the restrictions that we put in our own mind, and by the fear that we give power to, instead of the belief that everything's okay, and that love is the most powerful thing we have as a tool in order to serve others. So with that, I hope you're saying yes to yourself. I hope you destroy the noise that's getting in the way, and truly make 2015 the year to go big, to grow big, and your year to shine, and let that be from a place of pure love, pure faith, and pure truth that says your light was meant to be. With that, I'll catch up with you soon. Make it a phenomenal Sunday.